Hello geocachers, can you see the skylark? I'll try and zoom in. You can hear it singing anyway. I've lost it now, it's right above my head. Okay, we're geocaching still, but we're just watching this skylark before we move on. It's spring now, it's coming up to, the clocks are going back on Sunday. It's March now, 2018. That's way up. It's like a little dot. I don't know if you can see it at all. Hopefully you can hear it. And actually over there is a buzzard, I think. There, look. At least I can show you the buzzard. The buzzard's a bit closer and it's soaring. That's a buzzard soaring, looking for its prey below. It's gone out of focus. I don't know if it's down there now, is it? Anyway, there's lots of birds and lots of horses. I've seen about, it's like America. It's like the cowboys are here. There's about, there's only these two here, but over there, there's about, oh, I don't know, I've counted 8, loads. Must be a horse farm or something. I don't know what it is. Anyway, this catch is, so look what it says. St. Peter's Church View. So we've got some lovely views here, and I haven't found it yet. Sometimes I just find it and then I let you try and find it, and with the clues. But this time we're going to find it together. Anyway, it's up here. So the beeper will go in a minute. Right. There's a star up ahead. It might be there. Looks a crow. I hope it's picking up these sounds of the birds. It's getting more like spring, they're starting to sing. Has it beeped yet? It's not beeped. Sometimes it doesn't beep even when you're close to it. I'm sure it's going to be on this style. It said in the hint, you won't need a clue. Well, in that case, I think it's here. Unless we can't see the views. Where's the... Can't see the church. Hold on, are we there yet? Seems to find a church while I look on the GPS. We're there. So St. Peter's, it's probably a bit dark to see it, but we'd have to zoom in. Might be that over there. St. Peter's. We're right on top of it anyway, and we don't need clues. So if it's one of these I've seen before, it might be underneath these. Underneath the... There, look. Oh, what's that stone there? It's a big stone. That sometimes gives a clue. Oh, but I can't reach it, so maybe it's not that. Let's get over the top. I'm still looking for this church. Right, let's get over the top without falling over. Won't need a clue. Let's try this under here. Won't need a clue. I might need oh, we won't. I'll send you under to have a look. Can you see anything? I've seen these before. They're clips underneath. You get more experienced as a geocacher, and you see the same things happening, same tricks. So that's good. Didn't need a clue. But I need a clue for I'm going to sign that now. But before we go, let's try and find this church. I'm going to zoom in for you. St. Peter's Church. St. Peter's Church. Nothing yet. Zoom in a bit more. There's a mist coming off on an early morning. Is that it? Let's have a zoom in. Zooming in 25 times. There we are, St. Peter's Church view. That's a nice view in the mist.